Hi, my name is Tanya and welcome to my channel where we are going to talk about all things Scotland. I was lucky enough to live in Scotland for several years, quite a while ago, but I've also been back for several trips and vacations. I really wanted to start this channel so that I could share my tips, my tricks, my travel experiences, all of the different things that I've seen and done while I was in Scotland, and also to just open up a place for people who love Scotland to talk. So if you are interested in Scotland, if you're interested in the UK in general, then go ahead and like and subscribe, and then leave me a comment down below and let me know what kinds of things you would like to see or what kinds of things you'd like to talk about. I plan on sharing videos about travel itineraries, different places that I've been, good restaurants to visit, different places that you might want to see in certain areas, and as well as history, literature, anything that comes up in regards to Scotland. I initially have hesitated about starting a channel about Scotland because I know there are some out there and a lot of them are by people who live in Scotland. But I read once that if you keep thinking about something and if something sticks in your head for long enough, then you should really follow it up. You should really just go for it and not worry about what other people think, not worry about what other people judge you for, and just go for it. Just do it. If it stays in your head and if it keeps cropping up and you can't let go of it, then it's probably the thing that's for you. So the thing that's for me is to talk about Scotland. If I were to make a video every time I thought about Scotland or had a memory of one of my experiences when I was in Scotland, then I would basically be recording all the time, literally just all the time. And since I can't do that, I just thought that maybe some short videos here and there where we can talk about different places to go, things to do, places I've seen, and the history of that beautiful country, then I would just love to share that with you. So please like and subscribe and come back and see my other videos. I will be posting videos very soon, and I hope to see you then. Bye.